Mentors help you widen
your network, and gurus help you widen your horizon. A mentor will help you navigate in the corporate world and get you along as you're in a specific position, but a guru helps you get to your North Star and helps you sometimes see things in yourself that you don't even see.
I'm Tricia Clarke-Stone.
And I'm Antoinette Clarke.
And we're the authors of Double Down.
What's your best kept secret when it comes to networking?
That you don't network, you connect, right?
That's my secret too.
So we share that. And I think it's because you want to get to know people, not what they do. Because when you get to know people and you kind of get that level of connection, that connectivity scales and it has a longer lifespan, right? It has a longer shelf life, essentially. I always found it interesting when people say, oh, I'm gonna go to 3 events this week and network and try to meet as many people as possible. And then by the weekend, they're exhausted and they come away not having anything substantial to really show for it. So for me, it's really about matching passions and not professions, right? So you wanna create some level of connection based on shared passion points and interests that really take you guys to another level in terms of the relationship that you have.
And I think to add on to that, for me, it's kind of a 3-prong approach. So it's basically when you're networking, and we don't even like to use the word networking, it's about connecting. So when you're trying to connect with people, it's about showing up as who you are, not who you think you're supposed to be.
Yeah.
And also leading with what you have, not with what you want from other people.
Right, it's about being a maker, not a taker.
Exactly.
So you bring something to the
Right,
table.
so you meet people and you want to understand them and what their needs are.
I always find it interesting when young people say, well, I want to meet this CEO or this CMO or this VP, but why would they talk to me? Like, what do I have? And
they don't realize that they have so much that they can bring to the table, their youth and their attention to cultural things that we're not paying that much attention to. That's their advantage, and that's what they can bring to the table.
And that's why I always tell them, bring your perspective and point of view, because that's something unique and different, and who knows, that could be the basis for that connection point.